up, guys? This is Josh 2.0, aka Old Man Wags, here to introduce some of this week's builds. Right here, we've got a Baldor motor, 115 volt, paired with a Cat TSFX pump. This pump does 2 gallons a minute, 3,000 PSI. More importantly, the seals are rated for high heat, which means that they can go up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. That's our first one. The second one we built is a GX390 with an easy 40/40 pump made by General. Essentially, this pump is a beast. It does 4 gallons a minute, 4,000 PSI, and is extremely durable. Anyways, we just wanted to do a shout out to our friend Kevin at Industrial Steam Cleaning of Delmarva. Wanted to tell you, all your units, they are on the way. For any other custom orders, feel free to check out our Superstore, and don't forget to turn the water on.